went shopping yesterday and found the cutest dress on sale. You know, the kind of deal that feels like winning the lottery.
Lucky you. The only lottery I'm winning lately is the what will my husband break next jackpot.
What happened this time?
He tried to fix the kitchen faucet. Now, instead of a leak, I have a waterfall in the middle of my kitchen.
Oh no, why didn't you call a plumber?
I thought he could handle it. Big mistake.
Well, I know someone who can actually fix it. Call Bay Area Plumbing, they're the experts and they won't turn your kitchen into Niagara Falls.
Do you have their phone number?
Yes, let me check 1 second. Okay, here, 415 668 8000.
Thank goodness. I'll call them before my kitchen ends up in the neighbor's yard.